Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. So, based on this craziness right here, see that? Do you know what I'm here for? Any guesses? I promised you guys last month when I opened my Glitzglam box for the month of September that next time you saw me open a Glitzglam box, I would have some funky eyelashes on and a fancy eye look. So this is my very first attempt at using false eyelashes, so please don't judge too harshly. I feel like I look kind of like a amateur drag queen. I'm just going to be honest. We clearly have no makeup skills, but I promised you guys, and I have 3 other unboxings to do in these. But anyways, I promised, and here they are. So without further ado, we are going to open up our October Glitzglam box. Real quick, before we get started on unboxing, let me tell you a little bit about this box. This is a monthly subscription box or bag. It is created and owned by 2 sisters in New Jersey. I will make sure I link the website down below so you guys can go check it out. Women owned, 2 sisters from New Jersey, $15 a month, and in every box you are guaranteed to get 1 set of faux eyelashes or false eyelashes in 1 glitter product. And I'll be honest, guys, almost every single box that I've gotten has had a really nice eyeshadow palette in there too. One time I got a really fancy lippy set, and then every other time there was an eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and dig into this before these things start falling off my eyes. Don't laugh at me if they do, okay? It's just chaos, and if they fall off, it's on purpose. Cut and dry. On purpose. It's the things I do for you. Look at me. Never in my life would I have thought that I would have false eyelashes on like this. Ever. And I know I need to do like more under my eyes, and I need to get gooder. I need to get better with like the eyeliner on my eyelids and stuff, but for a very first attempt at anything like this, I'd say it's okay. I did play around with some different eyeshadow looks over the past month, so I was kind of able to figure out what type of eyeshadow I wanted to use, kind of, sorta. But these eyelashes just make everything look darker and more dramatic. So next time I wear eyelashes, and I have like 5, well, soon to be 6 sets, I'll probably try like a lighter eye color and see how they turn out. But I don't know. Here's where we're at. Y'all have witnessed Chaos Jen's first attempt at false eyelashes. Yeah. I'll stop talking about them now. And here is our sweet little package. Glitzglam box. We don't do basic. No, we don't. And here is our card. Glitzglam box. Witching Hour. Oh, it tells what we have on here. So, it's really hard to see. And I can't put my glasses on with these, with the things that I said I wasn't going to talk about anymore. So, hopefully I can read this. But I did accidentally notice that there was a palette in here. So with Glitzglam box, every month you get 1 pair of eyelashes and you get 1 glitter item. And a lot of times they have an eyeshadow palette, which is one of the reasons I love them. Let's just go ahead and stick with the theme and check out our eyelashes first. How pretty are those? So these are the Hot Kitty Beauty Perfect Lashes Bedroom Eyes. Ooh. It's a glittery box too. You see the glitter? Bedroom eyes. Oh my. Oh, these are pretty. Those don't look as long and dramatic as these are. I feel like the ones I have on are a lot fluffier. Oh, those are pretty, aren't they? Okay, let's read about these bad boys. Okay, so it says Cat Eye Glam Lash. Hot Kitty Beauty. They have a $12 value. Spellbinding reusable foam ink lashes. Reusable up to 20 times, they say. I don't know. Sorry. Okay, next item. This says Be a Bombshell, and it has a sticker on there that says Fetish. So I'm not quite sure what this is, but we will check it out and see. Ooh-wee. Check that color out, my friends. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'll do like a light purple look with my lashes next time. Be a bombshell. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Okay, let's read. It says, eye and lip crayon. Be a bombshell. It is a $14 value. Haunting creamy eye crayon. Yes, it is gorgeous. Here is our glitter item. I never know what to do with these glitters, so I might have to make that my next project. I don't know. I know people buy glitter glue and like put it on their eyelids and stuff, but I don't know. We'll see. Here is the Hot Kitty Beauty card and all of their information. As always, I will link this down below. And here is the color of our glitter. I hope you guys can see that without the glare. Looks like it kind of has a goldish green tint. I'm trying to open it, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to make a mess. Oh, wow. Can y'all see that? Look. Oh my gosh. That's insane. It's pretty though, isn't it? Pretty. I gotta find something to do with it. Maybe I'll do crafts with it because that's about my skill level. Okay, let's see. Glitz Glitter Pod. Hot Kitty Beauty. It has a $6 value. Supernatural Cosmetic Loose Glitter. Very pretty. And last but not least, we have a palette. It's called The Witching Hour and it's by Amuse. I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like. It does have the cover. It's got a mirror all the way across the inside and a color saver. Oh my gosh. I've never had one like this before. Look at those colors. And I could use that for my purple look. Oh, friends, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. See, they don't do basic, do they? Oh no. No, they don't. Okay, so let me recap because I feel like I rushed through that. So we've got our Hot Kitty Beauty Perfect Lashes Bedroom Eyelashes, or Bedroom Eyes Eyelashes. We have our goldish green glitter, very pretty. We've got this absolutely stunning purple eye and lip crayon. And then we've got this absolutely stunning The Witching Hour palette by Amuse. Let me just show you guys these colors again because, oh my stars, they are gorgeous. And their shadows are always so pigmented. So pigmented, which when I first started wearing makeup, I didn't even know what that meant. So yeah, here we are. All right, my friends, that is the October Glitzglam box. I hope you guys enjoyed. I kept my promise. You're welcome. Thank you for not making fun of me too badly. I don't know what else to say. Real quick before we part ways, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote my videos just a little bit more so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. I would love the opportunity to get to know you better, so please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.